Hello everyone and welcome to the Parenting IQ. My name is Navida Fatima and I am a certified parenting coach. In this time and age of social media and internet, parenting has become ever more challenging and difficult. And my aim through this channel is to help parents in their journey of parenthood, equip them with the correct information and empower them to face the challenges of parenting. Parenting is a very joyful and rewarding experience, but it is also full of frustrations, disappointments, and heartbreaks. Every parent's most cherished goal is to see their children thrive in life, see them happy and successful. And they go through a lot of hardships to make it a reality. But the real question is, are they succeeding in their efforts? Or most importantly, if their efforts are aimed in the right direction. In my journey of personal development and professional practice, I have met many people facing different kinds of emotional and mental issues, such as stress, anxiety, emotional breakdown, depression, relationship problems, anger issues, procrastination, and a general lack of purpose in life. Neuroscience tells us that the root of many of these problems can be traced back to their childhood and the quality of their upbringing. A child's upbringing has a huge impact on who they become after they grow up. What was the environment at home? What type of parenting did they receive? Or did they get the emotional support when they needed it? All these elements significantly influence whether a child grows up to be a confident, resilient, and emotionally healthy adult. On this channel, we will take a critical look at the traditional methods of parenting, which mostly rely on rewards and punishment, discipline and obedience, and meeting a societal benchmark for success. While this approach may create compliant children, but it distorts their worldview, seriously injures their self-worth, and suppresses their true personality and their unique potential. Instead, we will explore modern neuroscience-backed parenting techniques based on awareness, compassion, and connection. This type of parenting is known by many names: mindful parenting, conscious parenting, positive parenting, etc. But the important thing is, this modern approach to parenting ensures the holistic development of children while nurturing their unique qualities. Whether you are a parent, a caregiver, or someone who interacts with children on a regular basis, it is important that you learn these valuable principles of parenting. So join me on this exciting journey of learning, unlearning, and relearning how to raise happy and healthy individuals. We will explore new techniques, address everyday challenges, and most importantly, we will learn how to build strong and connected relationships with our children, which is extremely important if we want to see our kids winning in life. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.